I think it's just playing normally. I think after 100 the pressure is off, and you just go out there and play the shots that you can, and you just look to try and hit the gaps. So after once you cross 150, and then it's just playing freely like how you always do, and just expressing yourself. No extra pressure. There's always pressure in every game, and I got run out in the first game, and then you know. And then I didn't get many runs in the second game, but there was no pressure, extra pressure that I put on myself. There's always pressure going into a test game, so I wouldn't say that I was feeling any pressure.
You saw Rahul miss out on 200 yesterday. Were you nervous when you were on 99, 199, 299? I mean, 197?
Obviously, there's some nerves going on there, but you can't be thinking negative at that point. You just have to watch the ball and just get over that moment. You just have to feel that moment being there.